Hi, I'm Bob with All About Water. We're a company that specializes in water treatment, plumbing, and one of our favorite things is water heaters and different ways to heat your water. Today we're looking at an electric water heater, and we're going to talk a little bit about what to look for if you see a failure in your water heater. Typically what we're going to see on a water heater when it's about to fail is some type of rust somewhere near the bottom of the water heater, streaking down the sides. Sometimes around these elements right here, up in these points here, we'll see some rust start to build up. Those are pure signs that our water heater is going to fail and it's going to leak. Most water heaters have a life expectancy about 10 years. If you've made it that long, you're on borrowed time. Other things that we're going to fail on it is we have two elements inside, one upper, one lower. And in the case that what happens normally on a water heater is people, their showers starting to get short as you start running out of water in about 10 or 15 minutes, about half the time is normal. That typically means that our bottom element has failed. If you're starting to see signs that your water heater is failing, seeing signs of rust, not enough hot water to get through your shower, give us a call or fill out our form that's on our website. We'll come out, we'll take a look, we'll put together a plan for you, or we'll come out today and install a water heater for you and have you back in hot water today.